Welcome to 8230 East Alpine Court in the beautiful city of Anaheim Hills. I'm Janelle Gerronsin with the Geronsins Real Estate Group, and I am excited to share this home with you today. Upon entrance to this home, you are greeted by two-story ceilings and this expansive living space. In addition, you have a main floor bedroom currently being used as a home office and a full bath downstairs, all with views of the rear grounds. You've got a great concept open kitchen with, again, two-story ceilings, a dining L, and an indoor laundry space on the main level. This kitchen with this voluminous ceiling literally is the perfect spot to pop yourself up and have a conversation. Primary this way, primary this way, primary this way, primary this way, or expand and have a whole nother space above the living space. The backyard gives you great space to entertain, dine outside, or have a larger grassy lawn on the side of the house. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour today. If you don't mind, this couch looks so comfortable, I think I'm gonna call it an end to a day. Bye-bye.